now. We're finger pointing, we're scaring all, stopping all of these problems. Yung baha ba titigil, Kuya Boy? So ngayon we want zero budget for flood control. Eh paano ang Cebu at paano ang Bulacan na binabaha talaga? Kasi we don't have the confidence to tell the people, trust us. Etong susunod, wala nang ano to.
Alan, hindi lang ang confidence, pero track record.
Yes.
Kasi nakita ng tao yung pera na ginastos,
Yes,
ninakaw
so
mula
the
sa
easy
kanila.
way out is to say, no more flood control. But
Oo.
you won't get rid of the
Correct,
floods.
but
So how much in economic cost yung flooding sa Bulacan, sa Cebu, and everything if we don't have flood control next year?
But
There's one or two talking about that, but everyone
Right.
else, baka kasi ngayon pag sinabi mong gusto mo ng flood control, baka sabihin corrupt eh.
Correct.
So yun nga problema, Kuya Boy. The expose and the game changers are so big, it practically paralyzes most or many of us from fighting for what is right.
Oo, tama naman.
And dati may referees.
Ngayon,
dati may
Arbiters, may
arbiters,
moderators,
may
ika nga.
legal luminaries na walang kinakampihan but experts, di ba? Now everyone is an influencer. Eh. Now everyone already has a stand and they're just looking for the audience to connect with. So wala na yung human rights people or experts or advocates before na magalit na kayo lahat. Ito tama, ito mali eh.
Because the weaponizing is also done by everybody.
Yes.
Everybody can say, AI yan.
Yes.
Depending on where you are at kung sino ang pinagkatatanggol mo. Pero doon sa diskurso, sa trust on leadership, konektado kasi doon sa present na problem. Kailangan talaga kahit papano may conclusion yung first chapter.
Agree, Kuya Boy.
Oo.
But trust is long term. We're all thinking short
Correct.
term eh.
Kailangan,
So,
oo,